Hi guys, today we are going to talk about how to put electronics in your car. This is the 990E. Um, First of all, you have to check that in your car cables are under this line. You always have to do this because when you put the body must always be free to move. This touches the upper deck and the body must be ready to move. So when you go on the right, on the left, it can move a little, not a lot, but a little, so it's free. Well, if you have a cable here up, the body stays this way, and it isn't good for the stability of the car. So take care of this. So first of all, look at this. Second, try to have everything the lowest possible. So these cables from the ESC don't have to be too long. Don't do something like this, like a mountain. No, never. Because even if you turn this motor a little bit, you have cable enough long. The cables from the ESC to the batteries, the same thing, not too high. This is high, but not so much. You can take it and do this, no problem. The same thing on the red side. I have a fan on the motor, only one fan, because I use a old support from the 977E, but you can use a bigger fan even, but I don't need it. This configuration, the car is fast. I have 7,000 capacity battery, and it works good. It has 5 minutes and a half minutes to do on the track, so it's good. Of course, it's not always as fast as it can, because for the first minute you have 103 kilometers per hour, but then it goes down, but not so much. At the end you have 98, 96 if you at the end, but it's not so bad. So first of all, this one, then we talk about this. If you move battery out, you see battery off. You see I have capacitors. I have added capacitors here. You can use original Hobbywing capacitors. This is not the original one, but you can do. It's easier if you use the original one, because are smaller. This is taller than the original. The original arrives here, are a little bit longer, but it's the same, no problem of adding this here. I'm using a Hobbywing XR8 Pro G3. It's very good. It has the lowest price when you buy it, but it's better if using in this car, because you have when you use the Hobbywing on the phone, you see you see how much amperes you have on the car when you use it, the maximum amperes. So it's a good thing. So you can use a lowest pinion if you have too much amperes. You can use a higher pinion if you have a low ampere. So it's a good thing. Then you see that I have the button here to on off, and receiver, a transponder. So everything is low, doesn't move. I don't like the button on off here, because here the air must go out of the car, and the battery can't go more on the rear, so is not useful. But don't put the button here, because the air must flow from the motor. You have near 100 centigrade temperature, so it's not so good if you push. You have the button here, and then I have this servo. This servo is a low profile from Samba. You can use what you want, but have a look at the technical numbers of this servo. Has a very high kilos for this voltage, and its speed is very good. So very high performance, very high power performance. It's very high speed. So it's a good thing. It's low profile, so you can do this with a low profile. You can put the capacitor here, or if you don't do it, you have to have the capacitor here, and it's not so good because it moves, and you have a higher weight on the car. So this way, I think, is the best you can do. I can do.